Okay, today we have the TiTan ROT 4500, which is a rotisserie, and this is the heavy duty one. We're going to unbox it and unpack the box for today. Oh yeah. Pop this box. We're gonna see what's inside. I'm waiting for days to do this. Finally, the weather is decent. Uno más. Uno más right here. Come on. Oh, looky there! New stuff. That next to my beast. Okay. Let's see what we're looking at here. I don't see a packing list. All right. There's gonna be the stands. Yep. It's weird, but hey, she's gonna get all worn out anyway. Piece parts here. Second piece, this is the other side. Pardon me for sticking my ass in your screen there. Man. It's part of the extension. Boxes. Those are the hydraulic rams. Okay. Another hydraulic ram. Get open those up here shortly. And let's see. These are the attachments. This is what they, you bolt these to the car, and that lifts it up. This is a sacrificial part there. Attachments. Stay. Two more over here. This is the other side. I found the instructions. Okay. Oh, those look like fun. Okay. So, okay. This is how you're going to raise and lower the vehicle up. Put these over here for now. Let's put both of these together. I don't know if you can see way over here, but that's alright. Instructions. Hey. I'm going to set these over here because they always get lost, right? Okay. You got our 4 wheels. 8-inch wheel. heavier framework. Spindles, both sides. There's two of them there. These are for the locks. Okay. These will go in this area. All right. Oh yeah, baby. This is not going to be a light individual. Okay, so this is the T-bar. This does this holds the car up. Let's just sit it like that. There's two of these. And here we go. Okay, here's the main part. Here's the trolley. See the T-bar here. Plenty of bubble wrap. Main section. Oh yeah, baby. Oh no! I'm reading that. Do not drop. Okay. Bag of nuts, bag of bolts. I'll set these over here. Okay. And what else we got here? These are part of the, you gotta be part of the extension that goes between the two. Yeah, I definitely that. Oh, I put them over here. This one, please. Okay. Two more black wheels. I can't imagine what these are yet. Can't imagine what those are. I'm sure I'll find out real soon. Okay. That's our unboxing. That and nothing up here. I'm sure this is going to have that. So this is what it is. So it's TiTan. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. It's a rotisserie, and you mount your car body or your frame between the two. then you can actually spin it upside down. It's gonna help work on both of these trucks. And I got a 66 that my brother's got. We're gonna redo that one as well. So let's see what my pages look like. Yeah, I'm opening the instructions. Parts diagram. Here's my inventory list. So they number all the parts. There's your parts list. So I'll sit here and I'll go through these to make sure I've got them all. My nuts and screws. And then there's my warranty registration. Okay. Limited warranty. Weird. Okay. So I'll go through the inventory and we'll find out what that's all about. Okay, so now we're going to do the installation here, assembly. So here's all the parts. I went through and did the inventory. I think I found them all. There's a couple parts I didn't quite understand, so we're just going to kind of work our way through it. Alright, so here we go. You may not hear me, so we're just going to hope for the best. Alright. Wheels on first. That's what they want. Oh, Lord, I don't know. Okay. Hey, those are threaded. Here, got a loose one going on. Where'd you go? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of these. 4 of these. All right. So, black, flat. I could see where another set of hands would probably be very helpful. Is that what they want? Really? Let Mr. Gravity help me here. Comes my dog. Aha! You do go one way. Dog, what are you doing? Yeah, go stop this. There you go. Okay, so I got the wheels on and I've got the main bar on. If I had it my way, in fact, I'm going to do it the other way. So I'm going to put that bar on first and then the 3 wheels, because that would have been a lot easier. This is, it takes 2 people to kind of hold all these parts together. Okay, off to the next part. Alrighty. So this is a rotisserie. Second one went together a lot faster than the first one did. Anyway, let's take that lock off. Let's just spin all the way around. Get her where she locks in. Alright, so that was fun. Alright, I just couldn't sit there and do the camera, so I'm just showing you the end result. Alright, there'll be more on this when I get to use it. So for now, that's it. Bye.